Kayo muna. Kayo muna.
Okay. Sige.
Medyo alam na hindi ako masyado sa English.
Si Ate Aqua. Kay Ate Aqua. What about you, Ate?
Okay, maybe I'll go first because I'll be down. I'll be going in a
Okay pa.
second. For me, I've experienced tons and tons of verbal abuse. Verbal abuse doesn't mean that they're saying nasty words on you, but they are especially me. I'm really huge. I'm really big, and I've experienced here in Miko itself. Some told me that you know what you need to go on diet because your dress won't fit you anymore. So I was doing my broadcast that time, and Tito Elvis, I told it to Tito Elvis. I felt so devastated. I felt so sad about it. But what I did was I just ignore it because whatever that person is telling me, I mean it's I know it's verbally abusing, but it won't affect me that much because I know myself, and I know that each person have its own shapes and beauty. So yeah, and what I did was I prayed for that person that God will grant him the wisdom. Maybe that person doesn't mean anything, or maybe that person it's either that person has been bullied or he is really a bully or she is a bully, something like that. Yeah. So and one more thing, actually, you will say it verbally abused if
Yes.
it means a lot to you. But if it doesn't mean you, like if you don't care about it, it's nothing. So if you know
Yes.
yourself and you're confident about it and you know that no matter what you say to me, well, dude, I love myself. This is me. At the end of the day, at the end of the night, even if you have partners in your life, it will be just you and yourself sleeping alone. So at the end of the day,
Yeah.
be happy. Yun. And I thank you po, Kuya Dandan. Oh my goodness. Sorry.
Tori, come on up. Yeah, thank you for
Hello,
that,
guys. Can you
Ate
hear me?
Kuya
Aqua.
Dandan, do you wanna build a
Yes.
snowman?
Kuya Dandan,
Yes.
Christmas
Ako
extended.
din,
Kuya Dandan, actually, I cannot do a screen recording because if I'll be doing a screen recording, there will be no sound. Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. So, Ate Aqua just gave us the answer already from her own experience regarding the verbal abuse. So, she said a while ago that she had been verbally abused by someone here. So, but it's okay with her because we have differences in terms on how are we going to accept criticisms and everything like what she said. If you feel like it's not really that it doesn't matter to you, then it's fine. So that means you cannot call it verbally abuse or verbal abuse depending on how you take it. Okay, thank you, Atiko. Much love. Thank you for dropping by. Okay, sis Kai, would you like to say something? Thank you for that. Made me the 1 star. Thank
Yes.
you.
Uh, well, you can hear me, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Yes. Verbal abuse. Good. Hello, Kuya Dan. Good morning. When it comes to verbal abuse, good morning po sa lahat. Good evening. This is during my childhood. I have this one classmate of mine. I think I'm in grade 3 or 4 or 5. This one classmate of mine because when I was a child, when I was in my age of 7, 8, I'm so like my skin is so color black, They call me negra, they call me taga bukid, they call me tribu na super mean. He is super mean. Like, he is always telling me that. He is always telling me that I'm ugly. He is even throwing me eraser of the board. He is like throwing papers to me. Like, he is so angry. angry to me. And then it came to the point na I called my mom to talk to him because I cannot stand it anymore. Like every day I'm crying in school because he is doing it verbally. You know what I mean? Like, and he also likes to do it when there's a lot of people around. He wanted me to be ashamed, tama ba? He wanted me, gusto niya talaga akong ipahiya sa lahat ng tao. Which is parang nasasaktan talaga ako. Hi ma'am, Marlene. Oo. So that's why that was the ano talaga. Parang naging ano din siya sa akin na bakit ako ganito? Why am I like this? Am I not like the other of my classmates na they are white, they are morena because I'm literally black talaga kasi nga nakatira kami sa tabi ng dagat before, kakalipat lang. Para tuloy umabot ako sa point na bakit hindi ako pareho nila? Bakit sila ganun? Bakit kami ganito? Tapos umabot din ako sa point na bakit wala kaming pambili ng ganito, ng ganyan para pampaganda, ganun. Yung parang dahil dun sa verbal abuse na yon, para tuloy akong na para ko tuloy nasisi yung paligid ko, yung parents ko, just like that. But then I'm still thankful kasi nga it never leads me into revenge when I grow up. Para namang naging inspiration ko siya na I have to be strong, I have to be who am I, and at least I realize that what he is doing is wrong. And then as I grow up, I never did that to others because I know how it feels. So yeah, it continues until I'm in college, pero I can handle na those things except for that time lang talaga na I literally called my mom to talk to the principal. You know what I feel? I feel like so pity to myself. I feel like the ugliest student in the whole school because of what he's doing. Yeah, that's all. Guys, while you continue talking, we will eat, ha? But I will
Okay, okay. Okay. Thank you for that answer, sis Sky. So actually, Sky already shared about her experience being verbally abused. Hi, Angel. Is it Angel? Hello. Hi, Cesar All-Star. Sorry, I can't really see. Okay. Angel, okay. I think she's busy. Okay, so
Sure, but I'm trying to calm myself kasi nakakaiyak. When I was in elementary, I always on the top po. Tapos, the other people just questioning my ability why did I get on that,
sige, it's okay. It's fine.
yes, and I remember po kasi. And on our grade 3 po, I became top 3. My father didn't allow me to go to the graduation day because they were ashamed because I top 1 and then I became top 3, and yeah, after that po I transferred to other school. I'm questioning my ability that there is other people that better than me. And yun po I
It's okay.
opo, yun.
It's okay to cry. Mm.
Pero I regain myself naman na po ngayong college na I'm Dean's Lister and I make my parents proud, and that's what matters most po.
Okay. Oh, congratulations, Story.
Thank you po.
So, what did you do during that time? You transferred, right? So, what happened next? Because you said that you were thinking already that there were others who's better than you, and then it's like already on your mindset that you're
Yes
not that good enough for maybe for your
Yes po.
family.
Opo.
Mm.
I I met people po that helped me to accept how am I, and hinayaan ko na lang din po yung mga sabi-sabi na I'm not good enough na yun po.
Okay, so that's good. So you just let them talk about it. So you just don't mind everything what they say about you, as long as you're not doing anything bad against them, anything wrong against them. So that's good. Because if others maybe I've heard a lot about the suicidal did by somebody like the students before. Like I've heard like because they were just so upset and disappointed with what they have, like about like the same as yours. So bad boy, make a cute boy, if you will stay here, make sure you'll open your cam, because we are doing our we are listening segment here, because if not we'll bring you down, we'll pull you down. Yeah. Okay, cute boy, do you want to share with us about the verbal abuse? Have you experienced, or did you experience being verbally abused? Yeah. Oh, you're at work. Okay. Okay, okay. You're at work. Okay, sorry. All right. So, would you like to share something about the verbal abuse, bad boy? A cute boy, you changed name. Sorry, I used to it calling you bad boy. Anything you would like to share? Have you experienced such? But anyway, thank you for coming and joining here. Welcome, bad boy. Just write there in the comment section, or type in the comment section if you have something to share. But if you don't have it yet, I will proceed to Kuya Dan. Kuya Dan, would you like to share something about verbal abuse? Okay. Yeah, he's walking pa.
Hi, everybody. Actually, from the one boost, yes, perhaps. So, okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Dan. Thank you for sharing about your own experience. So, would you like to say something about Kuya Dan? Did you experience such? Because later on, I'll be uh, sharing about everything about verbal abuse. So, Jen, would you like to share something about verbal abuse? What is verbal abuse for you, or have you experienced it, or what did you do if you've experienced it? Pwede ka mag-Tagalog, be. Don't worry. It's fine. We're here to explain it. And Kuya Dan also understood some of the Tagalog words, so you can speak Tagalog. You're free to express yourself. Hi, LB. Okay lang yan. Don't be shy. Okay, sige, sige. I'll get back to you. What about Kay? Kay, naka-experience ka na ba or naranasan mo na ba yung ma-verbal abuse?
Actually, sa ating mga Pilipino, parang normal yon. Kung hindi naman sa normal, kumbaga parang
Mm.
especially sa ating mga Asian na nasa ibang bansa, normally talaga. Minsan makaka-experience tayo ng, alam mo yon, especially sa mga ibang lahi. Di ba, na parang i-judgmental tayo, and then minsan makakapagsalita sila ng mga words na minsan hindi natin nakakasanayan din, na minsan normal din naman sa kanila, na parang ganon. Basta, yung first time ko dito kasi, sa totoo lang, Ate Darling, hindi ako sanay sa mga words sa mga words nila na gamit, 'di ba? Minsan
Mm.
gumagamit sila ng shit, fuck. Pagdating
Mm.
sa atin, 'di ba, parang
Mm.
pero habang
Yes, it's
tumatagal, parang
fine.
nakakasanayan ko din 'yun. Nakakasanayan na rin ba? Parang gano'n natin.
Mm. Okay.
Pero ayun, marami din talaga dito, ate, normally, mga mga ibang lahi, especially sa mga Asian, iba yung tingin nila sa Asian, napakababa yung gano'n, ate.
Mm.
Pero hindi naman
Okay.
lahat ng foreigner. May
Yes.
mga foreigner lang talaga. Hindi.
Oo. Okay. Thank you for that,
Sometimes
LB.
sometimes sa mga kapwa natin Pilipina din. Kasi one time, nung first time ko dito sa Australia, so I'm trying to, ate,
Eh,
making a friend sa ibang tao. 'Di ba kasi bago ka, so
Oo.
kailangan mo ng kaibigan. So, kumausap ako
Mm.
ng isang Pilipina na, ayun nga, kung, "Hi, how are you?" And alam mo ba, ang sagot niya sa akin, ate, sorry ha, hindi kasi ako nakikipagkaibigan sa kapwa Pilipina." Oh,
Oh.
sabi kong gano'n, 'di ba, ate? Sabi kong gano'n. Syempre tinanong ko siya, bakit? Bakit? Ang sagot niya lang sa akin, "Small world." Okay,
Okay.
okay na lang ako, pero okay.
Okay.
Pero nasa atin siguro kung dadamdamin talaga natin or paano talaga natin i-handle yung, alam niyo yun, yung parang feelings kung dadamdamin natin kasi tayo din ang parang maano.
Small world.
Small world daw. Siguro may tinatago. Charot.
Okay. Oh, so that's with the same,
Pero hindi ko,
same company.
katagalan, naintindihan ko, marami nga namang mga Pilipina din talaga dito na minsan kapwa Pilipina mo nga din ang mangda-down sa'yo. Siguro yun lang din yung iniiwasan niya.
Okay. But actually saying that word is not for me. For me personally, it's not proper to say that, especially to
Mm-mm.
the
Pero dapat, 'di ba, parang dapat
the person
nag-iingat.
here.
Nag-iingat din dapat sila sa bagay tayong mga Pilipino kasi nasanay tayo na bago tayo magsalita sa isang tao, kumbaga tinitingnan natin yung mararamdaman muna nila. Yung parang ganun.
Not everyone.
Ay, sila kasi
I disagree
sila
actually.
hindi. Kung ano yung gusto nilang sabihin, sasabihin nila sa'yo. Wala silang pakialam kung masaktan ka or
Okay. Maybe if you want to speak English also, you can speak English because Bad Boy is also listening, but he's at work. Kuya Dan is also here with us. He's listening while he's walking on his way to take his boosters. So if you wanted to explain it in English, you can explain it, or if you want me to explain, but I think you can explain it also so everybody can understand.
sino ba? Ako, ate?
Yes. Para
Wag na, ate.
maintindihan din ni Kuya Dan.
Hindi na ako mag-i-speak ng English. May kasama akong mga foreigner kasi dito sa bahay. Maintindihan nila.
Okay. All right. Okay. I'll explain it.
Oo.
Okay. So, Kuya
Maririnig nila,
Dan,
maintindihan nila.
okay. So, Kuya Dan, according to Kay, she experienced already being verbally abused. Like,
Oo, ikaw na lang, ate. Pag ako
okay, I will
maririnig
just
nila.
explain about your experience with the same, she's from the same country. I mean, she's also a Filipina. When she tried to make friends with that girl answered her like, I don't wanna make friend with the same people from the same country. Like, she don't wanna be friends with anybody from the Philippines. And then that's for her, it's verbally abuse. And before, when she's just new here, she's not used to it, like listening and hearing the words like shit, like fuck, and because actually here in the Philippines, when you heard those words, like, it's really, especially when you came from the family who's really from the conservative type of family, they were not really that into those kind of words. It's like for them, like, it's really bad. Yeah, but it nowadays is just like, it's just the word of tongue, is the words of tongue, like, you can hear it everywhere. Even the youngsters nowadays, they speak it because of what they've heard from the social media and everything. So Kay didn't want to say anything in English right now because she's with the foreigner people also at the moment. She's in Australia. So that's why she cannot speak English right now. She don't want to speak English right now. I think I'm lagging. LA, Shandy, what are you doing? I'm lagging. Sorry for that. I'm lagging. Thank you for sharing with us, Kay. So that's also a bad experience, but let's just leave it like that. So let's just proceed to, life is too short. So let's just be happy and enjoy. Riza, would you like to share something, Riza? Or will I proceed first to LB? LB, hi LB.
Po yata yung lag, ate. Lag ba? Okay ba?
Oo, okay ka. Ako ang naglalag dito.
Sige,
Thank you,
sige.
Sis Sky. Thank you.
Tagalog ko na lang, ate darling, para
Okay.
ma-experience ko.
Thank you, sis. Next. Oh, nandito si Marilyn.
Naka-experience din ako ng verbal abuse nun sa daddy ng baby ko. alam mo yung laging dito pa naman siya. Alam mo yung
Okay,
putang ina
okay.
mo, gago ka,
Ah, ah,
ano,
ah, ah,
burikat ka, mga
ah, ah.
ganon, burikat ka, mga ganyan.
Oo.
Kasi,
Hi, Margie.
mabilis lang kasing naging kami parang isang taon
Riza,
lang
open
something.
cam, Riza. Okay.
Tapos kasi hindi kasi siya lagi nandito sa sa amin. Parang nasa work siya kasi sundalo yun eh. Hindi naman kami nag-live-in, bali hindi siya lagi dito.
Okay.
Tapos yung nabuntis ako, may nabuntis din siyang iba. Tapos yun yung pinili niya, hindi naman sa tawag dyan, parang sinisiraan ko daw siya dun sa isang babae. Ang akin lang naman kasi para malaman din ng babae na nabuntis niya din ako. Tapos yun, sinasabi niya, papansin ka, ganito, ganyan, papansin ka, iburikat ka naman, mga ganyan. Alam mo yun na ganon. Hindi, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi mo naman ako na napulot dun lang sa tabi-tabi. Excuse me, sa hospital mo akong unang nakita, parang gano'n, alam mo. Tapos lagi gano'n, umiyak na lang ako kasi hindi ko talaga maalis sa isip ko na sinabihan akong, burikat ka naman eh. Ito nga yan. Yung mga gano'n, ang dami-dami niyang sinabi. Ngayon nagsisisi na siya, pero wala na. Ayoko na talaga.
Oh,
Masaya
I
na ako sa
see.
baby ko.
Oh,
Mas
okay.
masakit kasi yung alam mo yung verbal abuse kaysa although parehas lang naman silang masakit sa verbal abuse at saka physical. Pero
Physical
mas
abuse, but
talaga yung verbal kasi hindi talaga nawawala.
Okay.
Huwag ka makinig ha?
Yeah. So, Kuya, do you want me to explain that
Say
one,
hi.
or did you understand what she said?
Ba't ka
Okay.
nagtawa-tawa? Say hi.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, yeah, what's hard is really that kind of when we're talking about the differences between verbally abuse and physically abuse, the most hurtful word is the physical verbal abuse, because it will be taken here, going here, and will bring it until, I don't know, it will last maybe forever. It will never change. You will never change the fact that you've been verbally abused by someone, especially when it's coming from your loved one. Okay, so let's proceed. Jenny, would you like to share something na, or we'll proceed to Marilyn? Be? Okay lang yan, Risa. Just leave your phone like that. Marilyn, would you like to share? Yeah.
Ako na agad? Is it my turn?
Yes. Go ahead. Okay ka lang.
My sister is making so much noise outside. So I had this experience verbal abuse recently only here under Miko. Before that, this is the story. So before, I was a friend. Should I mention the name, or it's really hard?
Yeah.
To
No need to
without it.
mention if you don't want to mention. It's okay. No need to mention.
Because I was a manager. It's like a manager under one agency here. But before, there's other one host who is managing already. But before I enter as the admin of that, sorry about that, of the agency, they asked me themselves if I can join, if I can be the part as the admin of the agency. So I said, okay, if you want me to, then I think the other admin get like opened when I enter as admin also in this agency, and then after that she start cursing me only here on the live. She start cursing me, and she start cursing along with my family, like because I think because the owner stopped supporting her, or maybe she's still supporting, but because she stopped it and she's using a very words towards me, which is really, I don't understand why they are so mean. So